Today we will know about the life in the western coastal region. The western coastal region starts from Run of Kutch in Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. Gujarat, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala are located in this region. First we will know about Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad is the largest city in Gujarat. Saurashtra is famous for Gir hills and forests. The main crops which are grown here are cotton, groundnuts, jowar, bajra and sugarcane. People also engaged in trades, as example salt making, digging of oil, dairy farming, and working in cotton textile mills. What is dairy farming? Dairy farming is a type of agriculture that is focused on producing milk. Anand is famous for Amul dairy. Natural gas and petroleum is found in Ankaleshwar. The main language is Gujarati. Men wear a short frock, dhoti and turban. Dhoti kurta and Gandhi cap are commonly worn by men. Women wear ghagra, choli and odhni. Navratras and Janmashtami are celebrated here. Garba is mainly performed by women on festivals. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar and later lived in Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Now we will know about Kerala. Tiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. And Kerala is a land of coconuts. Here coconuts are found. We get many things from coconut. The husk is used for making choir mats and carpet. What is husk? The dry outer covering of coconut is called husk. Other than coconut, rice, tea, coffee, and spices are also grown here. Rubber trees are also found in the state. Kerala is the most literate state in India. The main language is Malayalam. Kerala has many expert craftsmen. Craftsman means karigar, a person who makes things skillfully, especially with his her hand. हाथों से कुशलता पूर्वक चीजें बनाने वाला हस्तशिल्पी. The most important festival is Onam. During Onam, snake boat races are held. Kathakali is a classical dance depicting Mahabharata and Ramayana. Depict means to describe, to show. Kochi is a major seaport of Kerala. This is the picture of snake boat race. Now we will know about Maharashtra. The Konkan coast is to the south of Gujarat. It is separated from the Deccan Plateau by the Western Ghats. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The film industry of India is located in Mumbai. The film industry is called Bollywood. Most Hindi and Marathi films are made in Mumbai. The main languages are Marathi and Hindi. The men wear dhoti kurta with a Maharashtrian turban or cap. Women wear 9-yard long saris. They wear it in the traditional way. The main festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. The gateway of India is located in Mumbai. The seabed of the Konkan coast has a very rich oil field called Mumbai High. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, a union territory, is in the north of Mumbai. Now we will know about Karnataka. The coastal areas of Karnataka are divided between the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is also known as the Garden City. The main occupation is farming. The main crops grown here are sugarcane, cotton, groundnut, jowar, rice, and coffee. People are employed in industries producing machine tools, telephones, watches, and aircraft. The main language is Kannada. The men wear dhoti kurta, women wear sari and blouse. The staple diet are rice, dal, idli, dosa, ragi, and hittu. The main festival of Karnataka are Dashahara and Ugadi. The famous Kolar gold mines are located in Karnataka. Now we will know about Goa. Goa is famous for its beaches. Goa is a land of beaches. The biggest port of Goa is Marmagaon. Coconuts, cashew nuts, rice, black pepper, mangoes, and bananas are grown here. Most of the people here are Christians. They wear Western clothes. The fishermen mostly belong to Konkan and they wear shirt, short dhoti, and women wear sari. Women wear sari in Maharashtrian style. In Goa, fishing is an important occupation. The main languages are Konkani and English. Mandu is a popular festival dance. The carnival is a 3-day festival. It is celebrated here. Carnival festival is a mix of Eastern and Western culture. The capital of Goa is Panji. Two famous churches of Goa are Basilica of Bom Jesus and Saint Francis of SEC. Now we will know about the Lakshadweep Islands. Very few people live in Lakshadweep Islands. As you know, children, Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. The main occupation here are fishing and growing coconut. Some of them are also engaged in making coir items. The lifestyle of people on these islands is the same as that of Keralites. It means the lifestyle of people on these islands is the same as the people of Kerala. Lakshadweep Islands is surrounded by coral reefs and lagoons. Tourists visit Lakshadweep Island to enjoy its sun-drenched beaches and the beauty of the lagoons. Children, your lesson has completed. Thank you, children.